Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making 5 pockets with 1 sheet of paper. Let's get started. The paper I'm using measures 8.5 inches by 11 inches. It's a standard US letter size. Fold it in half along the long side and then fold again, leave ½ inch on the top. And then fold the top right corners down in a 45 degrees diagonal line. Between 2 folds, leave ½ inch gap. Now I'm going to glue the 3 folds in the back down and leave the first fold open because I'm going to make it a pocket. Now I'm going to use a small piece of scalloped paper trim to cover the gap between the lower edge of the first fold to the bottom edge of the entire folder, so that way I can make a pocket large enough to tuck some tag in. Next, I'm going to glue the long edge on the left down and to close the left side. I'm going to place this 1 sheet pockets to a sheet of paper for my junk journal as an insert. Cut that sheet of paper the size of my junk journal page and then put glue on 3 sides of the 1 sheet pockets and leave the top side open so it will make a pocket between the pockets and the back sheet. Now here we have it. Now I'm ready to add it to my Christmas junk journal page.